High water and downed trees plagued the city of Huntington this morning. At this hour, the trees have been removed and the water is going down. But some people are still dealing with the aftermath. 13 News reporter Rainfall has that story.
Heavy rainfall and high-speed winds ripped through Huntington Wednesday morning, causing headaches for people like Luke Rose.
And all at once, we heard this great big noise, and it sounded like a tornado. What it sounded like, the whole house started shaking.
The wind knocked down this tree, and it landed on Rose's house, causing multiple cracks in the foundation, damaging plumbing, and letting water into the home. No one was injured, but now Rose and his family are left without a home.
The Red Cross did step in and help us, and I thank God for that.
In other areas, flooding was the big issue. A viewer sent us this video along Green Valley Road in Huntington Wednesday afternoon. And another viewer sent us this picture of high water blocking a portion of Norway Avenue just behind Walmart. Now, for other areas in Huntington, the water went down into the evening hours, but right here in Arlington Boulevard, as you can see, there's still some high water here. There's actually 2 feet where I'm standing, and for drivers, this is not passable. And one driver learned that the hard way.
We was in a car coming from our house to take my son to the Boys and Girls Club, and we drove through it, and now we stuck.
Joseph Brown's 8-year-old son was also in the car. Firefighters rescued them, and his car was towed out. Brown says there were no signs up.
They need to have somebody out here to put signage up or block it off with some kind of barriers, say high water dangerous, don't come through here.
Thankful that he and his son are okay, and also a tough reminder for all of the dangers of high water. In Huntington, Lane Ball, 13 News.
Now, we did reach out to the city of Huntington for comment on the lack of signage in that area of Arlington Avenue, but have not yet heard back. We'll keep trying.